Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's Mr. Imad Sayyid, your math teacher. How are you, my friend? Today we have something new. Not a new, we have in math. We have some new lesson. It's called rounding to the nearest 10 and 100. What I mean by rounding. For example, if I asked you, what is the distance between me and the table? For example, 1 meter, 2 meter, nearest to 2 meter. It means not exactly 2 meter, nearest to. Probably yes, maybe 1.8, 1.9, 2 meter and 10, I don't know. Roundings makes number easier to work with. Change the numbers to the nearest 10 or 100. Always, when you want to start with a rounding, look carefully to the number before and after. This is the key. You have, first step, find the number. I'm asking you about this number, find this number. Look at the number before and number after to change, because he tell me that rounding is a changing of numbers to the nearest other number. Rounding to the nearest 10. Look at the unit digit. When I ask you about the rounding of 10, looking to the nearest unit. If it is 5 or more, round up to the tens digit. If it's 5 or more, 5 and more than 5, add 1 to the next digit. If 5 or less, the number turns to 0. What I mean, look here. 185, round up to 190. If it is less than 5, the tens digit stays the same. For example, 185. He told me rounding to the nearest 10. Nearest 10. Where is the tens? Here. This is a tens, right? This is a tens. Here a unit. Here tens. Here 100. The nearest 10. This is a 10. Be careful. I'm looking to the number before. If the number before the unit is 5 or more, add 1 to the tens. It's mean 5 plus 1. I add 1 to the tens. 8 plus 1 turns to 9. 1 stays the same. The 5 turns to 0. So 190 is a rounding number to the number 185. 185, I want to make the rounding of 185 to the nearest 10. The answer is 190. He tell me that 185 rounds up to 190. If it is less than 5, the tens digit stays the same. Another example, 1514, round to the nearest 1510. 1514, rounding to the nearest 10. Where is the tens? Here is a tens. I make first tens. I'm looking to the number before. 4 less than 5. Here 5 equal 5. Right? So 4 less than 5. Directly the numbers turn to 0. 1 stays the same. 5 going down. 1 going down. What is the answer? 1510. 1510 is a rounding number. If I ask you about the 100 digit, just give me a minute. Hundreds, going to the nearest 100. What is the number? Can someone help me? The number is 4,261. 4,261, rounding to the nearest 100. Where is the 100? I have to find it. Unit 10 hundredths. Here is the 100. I'm looking to the number before. If 6 greater than 5, it means I have to add 1 to the 100. Adding 1. 2 plus 1, 3. And turn everything to 0. So the answer is 4,300. Going to other example. 11,647. Round to the nearest hundred. This is 100. I'm looking to the number before. 4 less than 5. Everything turned to 0. And 4 turned to 0. 7 turns to 0. 6 stays the same. 11,600 is the answer. Now we will see quick exercise. Quick exercise. Round this number to the nearest 10. Where is the tens? The tens is here. 7 before what? Looking to the number before. What is the number before? 3. 3 less than 5 turn to 0. So the answer is 170. B. 559. This is the tens. Looking at the number before. 9 more than 5. So add 1 to the tens. The answer is 560. 701. Here is a tens. Going to the number before. 8 greater than 5. So add 1 to the tens. 720. Here. 5. I add 1. 630. 334. 4 less than 5, so the answer is 330. 491, it's 490. 2,167, looking to the tens, going before. 7 more than 5, add 1, it's mean 2, 170. 1580, because 2 less than 5. More than 5, add 1, 3,200. 55360. 48410. 2770. Easy. Nearest 100, I will solve. Here is 100. 2. Looking to the number before. 2 less than 5, so the answer is 200. 600. Look at the number before. 630. Oh, sorry. 600. 8. Look at the number before. 0 less than 5, it's 800. 5. 500. This one. 100. Look at the number before. I add 1, so it's 1900. 4210. 200. It's 4200. This one, to the nearest 100, 400. So looking to the 9, 9 more than 5, add 1. So the answer is 45,500. So we can do everything on it. Going to the other slides. I'm going to the other slide. Just give me 1 minute to solve it, to clean. So, who can help me now in this question? Who can read this question? Yes, Omar? Read please this question to find the answer. He gave me a chart or a table. Complete the chart, round each number to the nearest 10 and 100. I will do 3 and you have to continue the other. 748. Going to the, I'm checking the tens. The tens is here in 4. What is the number before? 8. 8 greater than 5, so I have to add 1. Always add 1. 2 tens. 1 plus 4, it's 5. So 750 is the answer. Going to the nearest 100. 100 here is 700. The number before is 4. 4 less than 5. So all the numbers turn to 0. So the answer is 700. 1,291 to the nearest 10. Here is the tens. 1 less than 5. So 1,290. Going to the nearest 100. 200. The number before is 9. More than 5. I add 1. So 1,300. The last one. To the nearest 10. Here is a 10. 7 more than 1. So 6,040. Going to 100. 0 before is 6,000. You can continue the other. The last one. The last slides. Again and again, we are in the nearest. The rounding is very simple lesson. I like it a lot. If I told you again, we have average, we have ocean. Round to the nearest 10 meter, 10 here. The number before is 8, add 1 to the 10, so 4,030. To the nearest 100, 0, 2 is 4,000 meter. We will do this one, 1,652. It's 1,650 to the nearest 10. To the nearest 100, 1,700. Why? Because here is 106. Before it's 5. 5 add 1 to the last one. 1,400. It's 1,430. And 1,400 to the nearest 100. Thank you for watching this lesson. Be careful, solve a lot, be easy. It's very easy. Bye bye.